This course contains handwritten practice sheets by me and not a computer that students can trace over the letters, words, and sentences in 4 different sizes. Each lesson has a video of me writing the letters with step-by-step guidance for students to follow. One thing I love about this course is that there are over 800 traceable words for students to practice in 4 different sizes, going from the letter A all the way through Z. The large is 3/4 of an inch or 1.8 centimeters. The medium gets a little smaller, the small size, and then finally the wide rule size of 3/8 of an inch or 8 millimeters. The C is for cursive course is then unlike other courses because we have not only one size but 4 sizes. This course has an emphasis on learning the structure of letters, from able to write them from any size with or without lines, and also to eventually onto the wide rule paper.